In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move content on Squarespace. Whether you're redesigning your website or simply tweaking your layout for better visual appeal, knowing how to rearrange blocks of content is an essential skill. Squarespace makes this process intuitive with its drag-and-drop interface. And today, I'll walk you through each step so you can confidently adjust your site's design in no time. Let's get started. First, head over to Squarespace's website and log into your account. If you prefer, you can also click the Continue with Google option. Now, if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your Squarespace account to avoid any confusion. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Next, navigate to your website's dashboard. Depending on your setup, you might see your website listed under the Sites section. Just click on it to open. Alternatively, if you've bookmarked a direct link to your site, you can use that instead. Now that you're in, it's time to enter edit mode. Look for the Edit button on your website's dashboard and click on it. This will take you into the editing environment where you can make changes to your page layout. Once you're in edit mode, decide which block or piece of content you'd like to move. Keep in mind that Squarespace organizes all your content, whether it's text, images, or videos, into blocks. Think of these blocks like building blocks that you can rearrange to customize your design. Hover over the block you want to move until your cursor changes to a hand icon. This hand icon indicates that the block is ready to be repositioned. Now, click and hold the block and then drag it to the new location on your page. You'll notice that Squarespace provides helpful visual guidelines as you drag so you can align your content perfectly. These snap points are there to ensure your layout remains clean and professional looking. Once you've settled on the new position, simply release the block. Take a moment to double check that it's placed exactly where you want it. Proper placement can make a big difference in how your page looks and functions. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located in the top corner, and click it. This step is crucial because any unsaved changes will be lost if you exit edit mode or navigate away from the page. Saving your work ensures that your updates are locked in and live on your site. And that's it. You've learned how to move content blocks on Squarespace, giving you the flexibility to adjust your site's layout as needed. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started with designing your own website. So now you know how to rearrange your Squarespace content for a polished, visually appealing design. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.